core system libraries failing because of the Fusion Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we begin the walkthrough for Fusion Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This DLL file is the Microsoft .NET Runtime Enumerator library. It is responsible for managing the Global Assembly Cache, GAC, and resolving assembly versions, ensuring that .NET apps load the correct library versions on the system. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool, run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure the Fusion Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Fusion library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the Fusion Library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing the Fusion library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time the Fusion library encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.